What's up everybody, Babadees here, and today we're doing an easy Instapot crab boil. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipes. Minced garlic, some chopped onions, some baby potatoes, small potatoes, some corn, and about 6 cups of water, some Creole seasoning mix, some crab boil seasoning, and some Old Bay seasoning, and a splash or two of lemon juice. Now, of course, you're going to need your seafood, so you're going to need your shrimp. And I'm going large, I'm going with some king crab, but you can use any kind of crab. And an optional thing is some Italian sausage or spicy sausage, whatever you prefer. My family, we like Italian sausages. So let's go ahead and start with step 1. Let's put all of our small potatoes inside the Instapot. Let's go ahead and put our corn in. Our chopped onions. Now you can add some more if you'd like. It's completely up to you. Some minced garlic. And we can go ahead and add in our 6 cups of water. Now I'm using the larger 8-quart Instapot. You can do this with the 6-quart as well. You can even do this with the 3-quart. You just have to cut down on the quantities and the liquid that you'll need to put inside. Go ahead and add in your crab boil seasoning. Now mine comes in a pouch. Some of them do come as individual seasoning that you can sprinkle in. Now we're gonna put our Creole seasoning in. Now you gotta be really careful with the seasoning because a lot of seafood seasoning has a lot of salt. So if you put too much, you may ruin your meal. And some Old Bay seasoning as well. I'm going lightly on the seasoning. It's easier to season it at the end than to over season it at the beginning, and you'll just have a pot of salt. Just a quick tip. So we're gonna go ahead and close our Instapot. We're gonna put it on manual pressure for 12 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna get our butter garlic going. So you're gonna need half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic minced. And you go ahead and put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute. And you got a lovely butter garlic sauce that you can use at the end for your seafood. So open up the Instapot. We are ready to roll. Step 1 is completed. The corn is looking great. The potatoes are looking great as well. And we're gonna go ahead and start adding in our seafood. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our shrimp. Now these are veined shell on shrimp. You can use shell off. It's completely up to you. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more of that Creole seasoning in. A little bit more of that Old Bay seasoning in as well. And a splash of lemon juice. This is just to get rid of some of that fishy taste that some people don't like. And I'm gonna go and load that all up with my king crab. Make sure that I get all of that in there. Now my king crab is cooked. Whether it's cooked or not, you can still do the exact same thing. And I'm gonna go put my Italian sausage on top as well. Those were also cooked in advance, just so that they have some snap to them. I like to fry them. We're gonna go ahead and close our Instapot. We're gonna hit manual pressure and we're gonna do it for 4 minutes, real quick and simple. And by now you'll be able to smell all the aromas going throughout your home. It's gonna literally feel like you're at a good old shrimp boil, seafood boil kind of a party. Open that up. You can see that everything is nicely cooked. And the best way to serve this is really just to put it all out into some type of a container or tray and just dive in and enjoy it. Those are the shrimp. Corn is nicely cooked. You can soak in some of that juice if you want some of that extra juice in there. Now this is a great time where you can actually taste it. If you feel that it needs a little bit more seasoning, you can go ahead and put some of that seasoning on. But like what I'm saying is be gentle on it at the beginning, because you never want to over season your stuff and then you can never go back. Once you over season it, you can really never go back. So be light on the salt. Look at that crab. It's huge. Well, I'm going to sit back, enjoy, have a good time. Thank you once again for watching my video. Tune in till next time. We're going to keep things easy, quick, because that's what we do. Because once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it, and everything will be easy. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe.